everyone! Welcome back to Web Creators. I'm Karatalaine Shabir, your creative guide today. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a glitter text effect in Canva. And it's 100% free. It's simple, stunning, and perfect for thumbnails, social posts, YouTube intros, and much more. No paid features or external apps needed. Just Canva and a little creativity to make it sparkle. This trick isn't common, so stick with me. Follow each step and you'll wow your viewers in no time. Let's dive in and bring your text to life with a beautiful glitter effect. Right here, right now.
So firstly, what we're going to do is that we're going to go ahead to Canva. I'll give the link in the description below if you like. If you haven't logged in, then please do so that we can create our masterpieces. Now click on custom size and choose your width and height. I would recommend 190 by 180 pixels. Okay, so the next step for you is to click on your blank canvas and you're going to go for text or simply type T on your keyboard and write anything you want. For this example, I'm going to write HBD. Increase your font size, then go for fonts. I'll choose Fricative and then go for text color and choose white. After this is done, click on share, click on download and then click on transparent background and then choose whatever is suggested. I would recommend PNG and then click on download. Okay, so till this is doing its job, we need to find a glitter effect since our video is about creating glitter text effect. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to search for glitter gold. Now if you already have it, then it's nice. Click over here, drag it over here. Perfect. Make it full. Okay. So now we are going to go for apps and you're going to search for clipping mask. Click on this option and you'll be redirected over here. Now it may take a little bit of time to load, but it's good. So now you're going to click on your image, the glitter effect, and then click on start masking. After this, you'll be seeing this type of dashboard. The first one is shape, but we do not need the shape. We're going to click on image, click on choose file, and then choose your folder in which it is. Okay, so then click on add to design. Now you're going to drag this image to up and boom, glitter text effect image is ready for you. So that's all for today guys. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe and click on the notification bell. Bye.